BJP has its eyes set on Tamil Nadu as it goes to polls next year. Home Minister Amit Shah has sounded off the poll bugle in the state during his visit to Chennai yesterday. Shah has lashed out at DMK and the Congress party, saying BJP will defeat family-based parties, while Chief Minister EPS has declared that the alliance with BJP is going to continue. Here's more.
Chennai all decked up. Flowers, drums and BJP flags along the streets. It was a grand welcome for Home Minister Amit Shah as he visited the city 6 months ahead of assembly polls in Tamil Nadu. Both Chief Minister EPS and his deputy OPS were there at the airport to welcome him.
The arrival terminal of the Chennai airport has been completely decked up by the BJP cadres. This is the kind of welcome that is being given to Union Minister Amit Shah. Plantain, sugarcane, flower decorations are seen all across this place. We're seeing that BJP flags have been erected. Similarly, posters have been put up for welcoming Amit Shah.
Shah, on his way to the hotel, got off from his car to greet his supporters. Amit Shah storming Chennai and making his party's intentions clear. BJP is coming with full force in a bid to make inroads in a state where it has so far failed to make any mark. Shah launched several big-ticket projects in a mega development push and lavish praise on CM EPS.
महान एमजीआर और लोक नेत्री जयललिता जी के नेतृत्व में तमिलनाडु ने जिस तरह से विकास किया था, मुझे भरोसा है कि पलानीस्वामी जी के नेतृत्व में तमिलनाडु इसी रास्ते पर आगे बढ़कर देश का सबसे अच्छा राज्य बन सकता है.
While BJP's relations with the ruling AIADMK have been strained in recent times over the Vetrivel Yatra, but the Chief Minister dismissed all speculations about any threat to the alliance.
நாடாளுமன்ற தேர்தலில் அமைக்கப்பட்ட கூட்டணி தொடரும் என்பதை இந்த நேரத்தில் தெரிவித்து அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகம் 10 ஆண்டு காலம் சிறப்பான ஆட்சி தந்திருக்கின்றது. பல்வேறு திட்டங்களை தமிழ்நாட்டு மக்களுக்கு தந்திருக்கின்றது. இன்றைக்கு தேசிய அளவிலே பல்வேறு விருதுகளை நாங்கள் பெற்றிருக்கின்றோம். எல்லா துறைகளிலும் விருதுகளை குவித்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றோம். அந்த அளவுக்கு சிறப்பான ஆட்சி தமிழகத்தில் இன்று நடைபெற்றுக் கொண்டிருக்கின்றது. மீண்டும் வருகின்ற 2021 சட்டமன்ற பொதுத் தேர்தலில் எங்களுடைய கூட்டணி அதிக இடங்களிலே பெருமான இடங்களிலே வெற்றி பெற்று
मैं एक ही आंकड़ा देना चाहता हूं.
Amit Shah also listed out the various schemes of the Narendra Modi government that have helped the people of Tamil Nadu while lashing out at the DMK Congress alliance.
13-14 के बजट में मैं कई बार डीएमके के नेताओं को सुनता हूं तो तमिलनाडु के अन्याय की बात करते हैं कि 10 साल आपकी केंद्र में सरकार थी और 10 साल तक आपने तमिलनाडु को क्या-क्या दिया, इसका हिसाब किताब लेकर चेन्नई के किसी भी चौराहे पर आप खड़े हो जाइए, हम जवाब देने के लिए आपको तैयार है कि हमने ज्यादा मदद करी है तमिलनाडु को या केंद्र सरकार आपकी थी तब.
Tamil Nadu Deputy Chief Minister will pay floral.
Earlier, the Home Minister also paid floral tributes to former Tamil Nadu Chief Ministers MGR and Jayalalitha and held a meeting with state BJP leaders, including district presidents of the party. In a boost to the BJP, KP Ramalingam, who is a close aide of MK Alagiri, joined the party on Saturday and claimed Alagiri could follow suit.
You will speak to MK Alagiri and ask him also to join the BJP.
Yes, I'm trying. I will convince him. But whether accepting or not, he has to decide.
And sir, as far as the BJP is concerned, do you think in a Dravidian state like Tamil Nadu, they will be able to fare well?
Yeah, no, we can't. Because in West Bengal and all, previously BJP was not having any repute. Now it is coming up.
Shah's sounding of the poll bugle shows that the BJP is all set to make its landing in Tamil Nadu ahead of the 2021 state assembly polls. But the BJP is well aware that it cannot make inroads in the state without the stronghold Dravidian political support, and hence the AIADMK is seen as a very formidable partnership. And now, ahead of the elections, they will ensure that they have all the key supporters in their deck to ensure that they emerge victorious in the upcoming polls. With camera person Daniel from Chennai, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.